Can Dogecoin live? It appears that it can, and the extent of its rise is contingent on a range of factors, not least of which is Elon Musk's participation on SNL tonight. However, many people continue to wonder if Doge can get to $1, not to mention $10. In a previous video, we showed that Doge has scope to rise to $1, $3, and $10 as well. While there is no consensus for when this might occur, it's more likely that Doge will see its price rise over the long run. The amount of currency in supply will keep a lid on the price of Doge, and this is designed to ensure that the currency is continuously available for millions of people across the world. However, if one looks at the meteoric rise in Doge recently, we can begin to see how it can continue its uptrend to $10. This will not happen without some setbacks, so we must come out and say that the demand balance can shift rather quickly. Furthermore, the acceptance of Doge in major exchanges will equally play a role in its price rising considerably above current levels. So let's get to it and see where Doge will be getting to in the coming months and years. Make sure you leave a like on this video, tap the subscribe button, and turn on post notifications on this channel, as it helps more people find us and equally helps you get up-to-date information on developments on Doge and the broader crypto market. Let's jump right in. Everyone is watching Doge closely to see whether it will break the $1 mark in 2021 or possibly after Elon Musk's SNL stint. However, little is said about when and how the currency can get to $10. Is this even possible? Yes, it is, but for this to happen, a slew of events must occur in sync. In the crypto world, several digital currencies are currently being traded. Dogecoin is one of the newer currencies, started in 2013, and has seen its market cap rise to over $90 billion. This is incredible for a currency that was trading pennies when it first got listed. It's now trading at about 65 cents, and its price could rise further after Elon Musk's appearance on SNL. Before we go any further, let's have a refresher on what Doge is. Most people have heard about Doge as a cryptocurrency, but an understanding of the currency will enable you to distinguish between Doge and other cryptocurrencies. Remember that the legitimacy of cryptos lies in their technology, their decentralized nature, and their convertibility. So what exactly is Doge? Doge is a peer-to-peer, decentralized cryptocurrency that enables you to send money online easily. It was created as a medium of exchange and forked from Litecoin back in December 2013. Dogecoin equally differs from Bitcoin in several ways, and its eventual use across retailers to accept payments will boost the prevalence and the relevance of the currency. In order for Doge to get to $10, payment systems must widely use it. In previous videos, we showed that retailers across North America and Europe have begun accepting Doge as a payment medium. Doge can get to $10 because businesses are increasingly warming to the currency, and the number of users over time is only set to grow. The convertibility of a cryptocurrency is one of the most important features it can have, as consumers make purchases for household products, broadband connections, and travel products. This is the case with Doge, and the fact that it's accepted across several retailers means that more and more people will use it. While we cannot forecast the additional demand that will result from Doge, it's almost certain that its low price and quick convertibility via BitPay make it an ideal candidate to reach the $10 mark. This will not happen overnight, but a significant difference between Doge and other cryptocurrencies is that it's easily convertible and equally cheap. As such, you can use Doge to buy coffees, a t-shirt, or whatever else, which is virtually impossible with the likes of Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you look at this list, which is not exhaustive, you can see that several businesses accept Dogecoin as a means of payment. This will encourage more and more people to buy the cryptocurrency. Furthermore, the Dallas Mavericks, owned by Mark Cuban, is one of the major companies accepting Doge. This means that basketball fans and sports lovers will be increasingly drawn to the currency they see as a viable way to buy merchandise or consume products from other companies. One of the must-use features of cash is its convertibility and the democratic consensus that underpins it. This is becoming the case for Doge as more and more people are using the currency, which increases the number of holders and the total number of transactions. There are over 127 billion coins in circulation. This means there is great demand for the currency, even as it continues to experience positive supply shocks, designed to keep the value of the currency low. Second, Doge is trading at such a low price that it's one of the most affordable cryptocurrencies on the market. This means the total number of users is set to rise over time, making it a bulwark in cryptocurrency markets. The additional demand stemming from its increased use cases will equally make the currency rise to $10. Third, the celebrity endorsement and continuous tweets from Elon Musk will make the currency hit new highs. Let's not forget that the quirky nature of the show and the fact that he's one of the fewer business leaders to host SNL makes it rather apparent that the currency is being discussed on some major news networks. So let's get on with making a few Dogecoin price predictions. Where do we think it'll be in 2022? If one strikes a bullish tone, Doge will likely continue to trade the 50 to 80 cents range before hitting the dollar mark by the end of the year. It's maintained a consolidated trend since early May and is likely to stay so as it's breached 3 key resistance levels. This is the start of a trend that could see Doge rise to $2. This will mean that a supply cap will have to be implemented to prevent the currency from falling repeatedly. Dogecoin might have a price of about $1.20 and then steadily rise to $3 and then $5 in 2022. By this time, the market will become somewhat saturated. The creators of the currency will have to face up to either supporting price action and enabling the currency to play a more competitive role in the marketplace, or maintain supply and keep the price of the currency low. As the amount of Doge in supply reduces somewhat, the price will inadvertently rise, causing a long rally or a gradual increase in the currency price. Meanwhile, a lot has been said on the development of Dogecoin, and while there is a likelihood that the currency will hit $10, there are equally some skeptics. By the way, nobody can pinpoint precisely when Doge will hit $10, but if Bitcoin's rise is anything to go by, there's plenty of reason for us to be optimistic about Doge hitting the $10 mark. The cryptocurrency market is cyclical and goes through bull and bear markets of varying degrees. After another bear phase, the cryptocurrency market, including Dogecoin, will be ready for another breakout in 2024 and into 2025, coinciding with Bitcoin's halving theory. By that time, there should be more clear choices for winners in the crypto arms race, and either Dogecoin falls out of favor or starts to approach the promised land of nearly $1 per coin. PrimeXBT notes that while there will be winners and losers, it's unlikely that any set of events will cause Doge to get to $10. But the long-run trend suggests that the cryptocurrency will likely rise over the long run. The fact that the mainstream media is latching onto the currency and the Doge community is rising suggests that more and more people will buy Dogecoin. It's likely many buyers are only getting involved for fun right now. This ultimately means it could be unsustainable and that there's no way of knowing the future of Dogecoin. Any asset can reach a certain price target if people are willing to pay for it. However, that type of momentum investing without underlying value is pure speculation. Sam Onigbanjo, the founding partner at the Capital Markets Academy, told Express.co.uk that once this barrier is broken, the next aim will be $10. Dogecoin is driven based on trading fundamentals and events such as celebrity endorsements and acceptance in major corporates. Both of these are clearly on the uptrend and are therefore very foreseeable in 2021. So in conclusion, Dogecoin can get to $10, and there are several reasons why this can happen. The Doge community will grow, and continued support from Elon Musk and other celebrities will continue to prop up the currency. The fact that it's being traded on major currency exchanges and used across North America and Europe will equally boost the currency's adoption, demand for it, and therefore a protracted increase in its price. Thanks for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, please don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Don't forget, you can now join the channel as a paid subscriber for exclusive benefits, and also you can join our free Discord group via the link in the description. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments down below. Good luck and happy investing.